Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.